Welcome to Manu Online IT classes. Hope you're doing well and keep watching videos. Please subscribe. So today our class we are going to discuss about in general ledger application approval journal entries. Okay, how to do approval journal entries? We will check one by one along with the setup steps. So first let us go the setup here. Before setup, let me show the window. So when we click on new journal in the general form, here approve button is there. It is a disable. When we enable this, it's going to be enable, and in the status also it is not applicable. So now it is going to be applicable once we enable in the setup steps. So let us go and do, and then only it will open the post button. Once approve, we can post it. So let us go. I'm closing these windows. Yeah, so we have some setup steps. Let's go to setup and employees limits. We have to enter the authorization limits here by selecting ledger, employee and authorization limit. Let us search for existing one. So this is basically the user ID which is already logged into, so belongs to that employee this, and the superior of this employee is Brown Miss Kesse. So subordinate superior hierarchy also we call it as otherwise job hierarchy. So this data will be given you by HRMS. We can also check in HRMS, that we will check in the later videos. So let's save this. If you want to change the limit, you can change and save. Close this window. This is a one setup step. So next one, setup financials, accounting setup manager, accounting setup. So system will open your accounting setup window. So just simply search here your primary ledger. Here I'm taking my example ledger. Okay, update your account option, update accounting option. Go to first update. If you scroll, here it is. Click on next in the first page. Go to second page. Here we have an option, enable journal approval. Just enable the checkbox so that you will be able to approve your journal entries. Click the finish, and let us go back to our form. In the setup journals sources, there are certain limits. If you want to have approval process for particular source, you can enable here. If you do not want, you can disable here. So while creating or altering your source, we can enable or disable the option required journal approval. Okay, the required journal approval checkbox you can enable or disable according to the business requirement. Let's go back now. We will check how it is and all. So let us first create here one, enter here one journal. Click on new journal, and we will test it here first for lower limit, how it is going to approve. That is, I can approve basically as an employee. Let's go for lines. So I'm taking first line is nothing but debit line. So entering 01 000 110 is nothing but cash. Say okay. So entering amount here very low limit, so 1500. My limit is 15,000 as an employee, and credit line I'm taking here in the account 4150 is nothing but miscellaneous receipt. Credit amount, save it. Once you save, you can see here approval checkbox, approval button, and then once you click on there, system will show your journal batch was approved. That means I can approve. If you see in other information as a status, it is approved. Go to lines. Now you can go for posting. If you want unapprove, you can unapprove again and you can approve. The posting program has been applied. So that is one way. So next test we are going to do about the above limit. Test above limit. Same way, with the line number 1, debit line I'm taking here. You can also copy paste or you can select from the list of values. Debit amount I'm taking 62,000 bucks, and the credit line also I'm going to take the same account, that is 4150. So okay here, and the amount in the credit 62,000, which is very above limit. My limit is 15,000. Let's go and save here. Click on approve button. So let us see, the message is your journal batch was forwarded to an approver. That means it's going to somebody else, that is nothing but my superior. So you have seen the superior, that is C. Brown. Click OK here, and if you want to check in other information, the status is in progress of approval. So let us go to login with the superior's login. So I'm going to another session. I keep open my session, and this is basically a superior user ID and the password. Click login. So superior will get one notification. So to check the notification, generally will be having on the home page. If it is not available in the home page, no issues, no problem. You can go to system administrator responsibility. Simply click on that, and you will find here the expansion of the responsibility. Simply scroll down a bit. You will see there under the workflow notification option. You just simply click on that, then you will see the notification whatever received by your superior, that is nothing but Brown C. So journal batch test, whatever the name you have given is requires your approval. Simply click, you can approve, reject, reassign and request information. If you want to see the entry, you can see from this link, and if you want to approve, you can comment here something like whatever the comment you want. Approved. Okay, now you can approve. Once you approve, the page will change. That means next notification will appear here. That means this notification has been approved. Yeah. So now how do I know that my superior has been approved the journal entry? Okay, so let us see here. I can also go for notifications. If the notification function is not available here, simply go to the responsibility, same way like system administrator. Generally it will appear on the home page. If not, we can also configure. So I'm going to notification function from system administrator. Okay, and it will be there on the OF page. Yeah, you can see here in the notification Brown case approved. Yeah, under the notification tab you can see this. Not required to click on see here. So we got the notification that is been approved. Now I can go to system general ledger responsibility, and I can search for my journal entry. So let us go there. So I can search by the period, that's for August month. Click simply on find. I can see unposted journal entry here in the top, that is for 62,000. Let's go review, and you can see here approved. If you want to see in the status, that is approved. Now I can go for post. So system will run the posting process, it will run. So selected for the posting, anyway it is going to be post. Yeah, that is how the steps and we can follow. Hope you guys understand this process. Please comment on the videos. We are waiting for your comments and subscriptions. Please share the knowledge. Let's enjoy. Thank you.